Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode here of Ford Era, and we're here at the hotel and I'm about to head out. I think we're in Jasper, Tennessee, and today we're going to be making it to Florida. Probably going to stop in Atlanta, visit a couple buds as always, and then continue on trucking. So gonna see you there. Alright guys, just made it over here to Bucky's. We're right outside of Atlanta. Gonna fuel up, go buy some gifts for the family, and then back on the road. Alright, just made it over here to P15. Needed to pick up some stuff that I left here a little while ago and just say what's up to the boys. So we're gonna go in and I'll show you guys what's up. Okay, so now we're here. What up, B?
How you doing, man?
Good, man. Gonna give him a little shop update. Came to pick these things up. If you guys remember when I brought them the crew cab, I bought both of these off of Brett. So now I came to pick it up. And what else you guys got going on lately?
How's it going, guys? So we've been pretty darn busy and we're pretty darn packed at the shop right now. We'll do a little walk around and I guess start from here.
Yeah.
So we got a 69 FJ40 built by Icon. This is called the Baja version. It's a fake Baja Icon. The Baja spec was a race spec and like an off-road version of the regular Icon FJ series. So he took the aesthetics of the Baja style with the angled tire carrier in the back, the dedicated open top roll cage, the chill witch seats, and the dash, and made it the Baja style with some of the creature comforts of the regular FJ. Great truck, got an LS1 in it with a 4L80, runs like a dream.
Nice.
Had it for 8 years now.
She's still looking good.
Yes,
Got to see her a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, so we got this 77 F350 recently. This one's new for some of y'all. It's rocking a 460 with a ZF5 on it. And the cool part about this truck is the previous owner already put 07 Super Duty axles under it. And so when he did that, he also put the Super Duty suspension, and he did the Hydro Boost and the steering as well.
Nice.
So it's a great all-around driver. It's a great pickup for us.
Sheriff.
Got Joe over here working on the Sheriff.
Got Red looking good as ever.
Working on our 76 Bronco. Working on the 9-inch rear right now. We had an axle leak, but nothing a 9-inch seal won't fix.
She's still here.
You know it. All right, so y'all are familiar with this one. This is our 66 F250 crew cab. We've got some really special options to it. If you haven't already seen the video, go check out the video for it. But it's got 17.5-inch wheels, it's got the high clearance fenders, and it's got an automatic transmission. All of which maybe we know of 2 or 3 other trucks that have these options.
And it's the best color.
And it's the best color.
The best color.
Absolutely gorgeous color.
And here we got one of my favorite trucks, Montana.
This is Montana. She's a 1970 F250. She's rocking a 427 with the original C6. 427 we've done some work to. We did Edelbrock Performer RPM kit with the aluminum heads, the intake manifold, the carburetor. We did a serpentine system from CFV, Champion radiator, a couple little things just to get it running right.
Dude, this thing has like the perfect amount of patina.
It really does. It's
so solid.
For an original paint truck, it's really solid too. You get under it, you can see the cab corners and the original primer on the underside.
I love this thing.
It's very honest.
I love it.
Very honest.
For a second there, I thought that your crew cab was lifted. I mean, it is technically lifted, but I thought it was lifted. How tall it is right now.
Yeah. All right, moving on. This is our 77.5 F250.
And this one, I think last time I was here, you said would be for sale soon.
This one will be for sale very soon. This one is rocking a 400 modified with a C6. It's got the original Warren Bellevue model 6000 winch. So that's the original Warren Bellamy model.
New paint.
New paint. It's got Atlas suspension, Pro Comp wheels, BF Goodrich tires. We'll get some nice shots under it before we put it for sale.
So
yeah,
anybody who
keep an
wants
eye
to
out.
hit up P15 4x4, if you start getting in his air now, you might be able to call dibs.
Seriously. Up in the air over here, we've got El Jefe, our 1974 F-250 crew cab. The plan for this one is pretty radical. It's going to be like a pre-runner kind of build, and we're going to keep this one two-wheel drive.
Hell yeah.
So we're working with Hutch from Hutch's Welding to do some custom I-beams. And then from there, we're going to do some Atlas suspension in the rear, keep it, you know, classic vintage pre-runner style. Do some auto fab fenders, maybe a 427 in the engine bay or something.
That'd
like
be
that.
cool.
Some fuel injection.
Hell yeah.
Time. Let her rip.
And then we got the Bucky.
Of course, the old Dodge.
But this thing is still so cool.
I mean, how could you beat it? Color, the spec.
It's everything.
It's everything you'd want.
We got a couple more. Shit, they're everywhere. They're hiding.
I know, man. We got a little blue right here. This is our 73 F-250. This is the most original truck I own. The paint, the fact that the engine still has the compression sticker on it. I mean, everything about this truck is numbers matching. It is just unbelievable. I don't have the heart to touch it.
I love that it has the old school cool guy setup with the skinnies in the front and the
fats in the
fat
rear.
boys in the back.
And they're two-piece.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oof. That's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
A little sketchy.
Hey, you know, at least it's your truck, not mine.
Exactly.
The interior is mint.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think it's got 53 on the odometer.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just clean as all get out.
If you guys want to see a great example. I love the way the bench seat's done too. Super nice.
And
Then we got
one more Ford in here.
Got a Chevy. We'll pass over that one real fast. And War Pig.
Yeah, old War Pig. So War Pig's under the knife right now. She is getting a ZF5, and
Hell yeah.
we were waiting on a clutch to come in. We have been waiting for a few months, but once this clutch comes in, this truck will be a 6.9 IDI with a ZF5 behind it, and it should be a great, reliable all-around cruiser. We're planning on putting a Banks Sidewinder turbo kit on it.
Nice.
Try to get it going a little bit quicker. Have some fun.
Well, hope you guys enjoy the update of the shop tour over here. I'm gonna hang out a little bit, grab my stuff, and then keep it in the road. We'll see you then. Okay, back in the truck and gonna be heading home. Got the cooler and got the Mustang. So that's it, and you'll see driving. Alright, so I was driving on the highway and I see a whole bunch of old trucks and cars. So I just pulled over and I found it on the map, so now I'm heading over there. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Hopefully there's some cool Ford trucks or something. Okay, so just get you guys out of the truck. I went inside to ask the guy if I could walk around, because it did say no trespassing on the sign outside, but I was driving down I-75 and I saw these cars over here, and then when I kept going I saw some trucks and stuff. So I haven't walked the yard yet. You guys are gonna go with me. I already see one truck, so let's see what else is out here. Wow, perfect tailgate. Here's a cool Pinto Chevy step van. This thing is awesome. Looks like it's just the one Ford, and then we've got a couple Ford cars. So, gonna get back on the highway and see you there. Alright, just made it over to Joel's house, and I think we're gonna turn some lights on and show you guys. Alright, so now we got some lights, and what are we gonna show them first?
So this is the 66 F100. I think you guys have seen it before. The first truck I got, just been working on it the last 8 or 9 years. Got a King Ranch seat inside there. Did a wood bed with the 66 stencil on it, because the bed was in pretty rough shape. Not the best paint, but we just enjoy driving it. It's got a 351 Windsor, AOD transmission, Lentec valve body, 9-inch rear end.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just fun driver.
Dude, you built one sweet man cave.
So yeah, well, during COVID I decided to go ahead and get some signs and just make it a cool area to hang out. We enjoy working on all the toys and just shopping on Facebook Marketplace and grabbing stuff here and there.
I never see nothing. I guess when you're up north, you see more cool stuff. Down south, it's like, yeah, the hurricanes got it.
Right.
Dude, this place looks awesome.
Got all the F100 grills up on the wall on the left.
Nice. And then we got your truck outside, right?
Yes, sir.
Parts galore.
I just gotta have stuff to keep building.
Oh yeah. So, got 1971 Ford F100. It has a small block 302 with a T5 manual transmission.
And all the patina.
Oh yeah, all the patina.
Dude, this thing looks so good. What do you put on it? Or it's just wet?
It's got that Floods coating, get from Home Depot.
Okay.
We just brushed it on. Obviously it's wet right now, it just rained, but it pretty much looks like this even when it's dry.
Dude, this thing looks so cool. So awesome. And you've had it for years yourself,
yeah, we've
right?
had it 3.
Yeah, it's 2.5, 3 years ago,
Yeah.
I believe.
So,
Picked it up in a field up in Valdosta, Georgia, and built it in about 3 months. Actually, drove it your senior year in high school.
yep.
Nice.
So that was fun. Here, I can open it.
And you were saying you're probably about to start working on it soon again and
Yeah, doing
get it a little modern.
maybe get rid of the brake pedal bungee.
That's part of the fun.
Oh yeah, that's very true.
Yeah, so right now it's on beams with just disc brakes, so we're probably going to go ahead and do a crown brake front, and he wants to do a new motor swap and,
Nice.
and maybe a turbo. So.
That'll be fun.
Maybe. That would be fun.
These kids and their turbos. Dude, that'll be a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
I still can't get over this thing.
Yeah. And
And then should we show them some of the project from the side?
still got the Langdale Ford.
Oh, dude, that is awesome. Hell yeah. Should we show them the other side?
Sure. Yeah, let's go.
Awesome. After you.
So over here we got future project. We got a 69 F100. This was actually the second truck I purchased. I just haven't done anything with it.
Yeah, that was actually going to be my first truck. But
Then he found a 71 with the 67 grill.
Yeah, but it's a good thing because this is the one that I've been trying to convince Joel to sell me forever. So maybe one day. But I think it'll be cool regardless of who has it. Dude, this thing is
Then we got a 64 Falcon. Just saw it kind of last minute and up by Atlanta, Georgia. We went up there for
nice. Has all the
event.
trim.
Went ahead and grabbed it. So
Dude, the patina is sweet.
yeah, that's what I like patina. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and it needs pans and quite a bit of work. But yeah, I went ahead and snagged it because we got it for a decent deal.
Hell yeah.
Over here we got a 66 Ford Mustang. Right now it's just got a little cheap 302 in it, but it's going to get a 302 that we've got in the shop we've been building, and a TKX transmission.
Nice.
And plan on autocrossing. It's got all street and track front suspension that I put on it. All original car. Paint has been painted once, but Yeah, it's a decent little car. The interior is all original. A little dark, but it's in pretty
Dude, that's
decent
awesome.
shape.
All Ford family over here.
All Ford.
Hell yeah. Well, thanks thanks for showing it to us.
Absolutely,
Tell everybody where
yeah.
they can check you out.
So check us out on Roller's Garage. I mainly do everything that we're building on that Instagram page. And then also Jared has a page.
Slow Snow _4.6. It's my Mustang page. But
I'm sure he'll have some F100 stuff
Oh, yeah.
on there also.
Awesome. And we're gonna hang out a bit and then back on the road. All right, so while I was driving over here to the back, I was complaining that my clutch is all the way in. So we checked, and then the Z-bar, which is all the way down the bottom, the nut and spring backed itself off. So Jared hopped under there, tightened it up, and now I got a clutch again. And then Joel was telling me about this 302.
Yeah, so we got a little 302 that we built this spring that we're going to be putting in our 66 Mustang. Just a little roller motor, GT40 heads, you guys probably know that. It's kind of a standard, decent stock head. Got it on a run stand. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and fire it up.
Gonna wake the neighbors.
Wake the neighbors up.
Got this puppy dialed in, huh?
Yeah, we'll see if it cranks right.
Sounds awesome, dude. Hell yeah. All right, now back on the road.